Frankie.
Find out where the flower are, put them on because they're getting a lot of stuff.
Baby and dog on bed. Everyone's happy. Christy. A boat. And we're off. How good's that? Beautiful day. Bye, Slip Bite Marina. See you later. Off to go shopping. Is that right? Yay, well done. Sailing. Oh, we're motor sailing maybe. More motoring than anything. And there we are. Off we go. Waving. Everybody waving. One.